Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a first impression of a makeup company. We're obviously doing a tutorial, but this is a Australian brand. It is a indie cosmetic brand with the best packaging I have ever seen in my life. So the brand I'm talking about is Undead Inc. So they did contact me and ask if I wanted to try out some of their products, and they very generously sent me a whole stack of their products. Pretty much enough for me to be doing a giveaway for you guys. So I will be giving away some of these items because why not share the love? So I have a combination of eyeshadow palettes, lip products, lipsticks, liquid lips. We've got a mirror here. Like, there is just so much. And honestly, like, are you ready for this? Have a look at this packaging. Pennywise, we have Chucky, the Mad World palette, Alice in Wonderland. There's Poison, like Poison Apple, Snow White. Like, how cool is this? And then liquid lips. Like, they have just the prettiest, coolest, magical packaging. They mainly have fashion on their website, but have obviously branched out to makeup. They have a Pickle Rick lip balm. I mean, oh my God. I've also saw like a Kellogg's one there, like the Breakfast Club, all kind of breakfast cereals and stuff like that. So today I'm thinking I'm in a pastel kind of mood. So I am really keen to try out the Mad World palette. And then I'll give, you know, one of these or maybe both of these away in a giveaway because they look amazing as well. Let's open these just to show you guys. This is the Freak Out eyeshadow palette. I did accidentally kind of break the packaging, but the actual palette itself looks like this. I mean, look at this. Oh, so cool. It does have, I'm obviously not going to touch any of the shadows. It does have a little clear plastic cover on it. So honestly, like, if you're a horror movie buff, they need a Harry Potter one. Oh my gosh. And then there is the Poison shadow palette. So these are all cruelty free as well, baby. Oh man, look at that. Freaking beautiful. So today, let's try for something pastel. I have obviously already opened this palette before, which is why I know it's got pastel shades in it. Oh my gosh, super, super pretty. I'm loving the look of this one in the corner here. God, I got a big pimple forming on my chin. All right, so I'm gonna go in and just put a little bit of base on my lids, and then we'll get straight into the tutorial. Alrighty, I'm gonna go into this kind of lilac-y shade. Picks up a fair bit on the brush, which is always a plus. Very pigmented. Alright, what am I gonna use next? I haven't really thought this out. Like most of my looks, I don't really plan things out too much. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the bright pigmented one in the bottom corner that really stood out to me. Oh, hello. Wow. That is nice. I'm gonna dust this into the crease a little bit, but as you saw, I mainly put it in the outer portion of my eye. Not in the very outer corner, because I do want to put something else in there, but wow, this has got some punch. It is pretty too. I really like this shade. Whew, hello. I'm just gonna go back in with that light lilac color and just buff away. That has got some punch. I now want to go in with this beautiful dark purple color. I'm still using that same brush. I think these colors work quite well together actually. Definitely just having to pat this one on a little bit more. The pigment is definitely there. I think you just need to pack in that little bit more. It blends really nicely as well. All right, now I'm gonna go in with some of this shimmery pink color. I don't want a lot of this. I think this is just gonna be like a transition-y type shade. Now I'm gonna go in with the gold because why not? This is dry as well, like imagine this wet. I honestly think this is the quickest that I've done a look like this before. Like these colors are just beautiful. So I haven't like cut the crease with primer or anything like that. I'm just basically using the shadows themselves. I mean, that looks quite pretty, hey? I am gonna go back in with that pink color, and I just dampened a packing brush. So just in the center of the lid there, just patting that on. Gonna blend that in with the gold. Whew, liking it, yes. All right, so now for under my brows, there is a shimmery light white color. Whew, it is quite bright. That would make a nice highlight, I reckon. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do the rest of my base makeup and then I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to go back in with, let's go that first kind of brightish shade we used. Now we'll go that dark purple. So much for me doing like a soft pastel look today. I need some mascara. I think my lashes are lifting, but that's all right. Setting spray my face. Oh, I setting sprayed half the palette too. Oops. And we'll go in with that light shade and just see what it does. It is like out of this world galactic. Let's look at some of these lipsticks, hey? My daughter has been playing with them, so they're kind of out of some of their packaging. But these first ones in the Sweet Treat packaging, this is basically how they look. So it is pretty unique. You have a little doe foot applicator. It's just like a little screw top. The bottom part obviously doesn't come undone. It's just the top part. But yeah, it looks like quite a nice color. Nice bright red. So I will be giving some of these away to you guys as well. All right, now we've got these fairy tale ones. This is in the shade Unicorn. Oh, okay, so this is how they look. And it is a liquid lip. Oh, that is pretty. I might have to do that on my lips. Let's just do that. I'm sold already. Oh my God, they smell good. They smell really good. And then these last ones are the Spellbound ones. So there's quite a few. This is in the shade Gremlin. Oh, okay, so same packaging. Oh, let's swatch this one. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Wow, so these are a liquid lipstick. I think they do take a little bit to dry down, like the swatches here are still drying. I can still feel it drying down on my lips. Yeah, like the color payoff, they smell really good and they've got quite kind of unique shades as well. So I honestly have so many of these, like so many. They've spoiled me so much. Got Unicorn Tears, Wonderland, Voodoo Magic, Princess. Like seriously, I do not need this many. There are so many. Frosting, Wildberry, Caramel Kiss, Berry Me. Wow. Yes, I will be holding a giveaway. I'll pin a comment giving you guys details on how to enter the giveaway and all that kind of jazz. So, my impressions of this palette. I think their packaging is amazing. They're very unique, very different. The colors did work really well. Obviously, like this kind of palette isn't going to be for everybody. They do have a nice range of colors, but they are all kind of colorful colors. Like it might be a bit hard to create a neutral look with this palette, but the look that I created, like I think it's beautiful. They worked well together. They blended well. They were really easy to use. Like this is probably the fastest kind of colorful look that I've ever done. And I think it was just because of how well the shadows work. Some of the shadows, obviously you do need to kind of pat on a little bit more. Like the only one I really had issue with was the purple, but obviously you can still see it. It's still a great color, but it's one of those ones that you could probably blend away into nothing if you're not careful. The metallic's gorgeous. Like I'm actually really impressed with this palette. They are more on the, I'm not going to say pricey side, but they're more on the luxury kind of side. I think these retail for about 50 Australian dollars, and in them you do get, and I'm not 100% sure on the shadow weight or anything like that, but you do get quite a few shadows. You get a really good quality mirror. The packaging, it seems like really good quality. Like it's got a little kind of magnetic clasp on here. Like it is fantastic quality, really sturdy, and just like the graphics are freaking amazing. Let's do some swatches. I forgot to do this during the video, so I'm doing it now for you guys so you don't miss out. All right, so we'll do the top row along and we will go from there. So these ones don't have shade names, but wow. Okay, that is pigmented. Definitely like the purple one, it does have this kind of different texture. It feels more like a pressed pigment in a way, whereas like this first one was super soft. But these are all matte so far. This is your first kind of metallic-y, shimmery shade, and this black one does seem to have a bit of, I guess, glitter in a way, but it is a matte shade. So definitely like pressed pigment, you can build them up, get more intensity with the more layers that you do. Oh, it's so pretty. Like even just like, oh, I didn't get the black off enough on that one. Even like these shades, like it's so pretty. You can create such a beautiful look with this. Oh, I can hear Hazelnut waking up. Are you awake, Poppet? Oh, I can hear you. Come here. Did you have a good sleep? Come here. Come here. Hazel, come here. What are you doing crawling? You can walk. Come here. Oh, good morning. How was your sleep? Was it a good sleep? I love you. Blue. Oh, like these are so beautiful, guys. Super soft. Love them. I'm running out of fingers. This is the last one. Wow. All right, go with this green, which is a metallic. So definitely, I think with the damp brush, packing brush, you could get beautiful color with that. Try the blue. So this is matte. Like, wow, super pigmented. It's really nice and soft. Lastly, let's go this kind of burgundy color. Oh, yes. So yeah, definitely you will probably need more packing brushes to use with these, but look at that. So good. I'm very impressed. Like this is quite a cool company with the products, and their t-shirts look amazing. I need to get that Pickle Rip lip balm though. Honestly, it's so cool. I also have this baby, so let's try out some of these. This is their Sparkle Monster Undead Inc Stardust Lip Shine Collection. Oh my gosh. Like honestly, this packaging is right up my alley. It's so freaking cool. All right, I'm gonna slide this out. Oh, I don't wanna break it because it looks so cool. Oh yeah, there's tape on it, that's why. It's not, I'm like, why is it not sliding? All right, woohoo. So there are quite a few kind of cool, strange, weird, wonderful shades. Oh, let's go for the gold. Why not? Because we've got that little fleck of gold in here. So this is Star Hunter. This is how it looks. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Like, look at that. I'm just going to do like an ombre. So cool. I'll give you guys a little swatch just to see what it's like on its own. So definitely like it has that kind of metallic-y sheen to it. These could be nice as highlighters. Everything can be a highlighter. So yeah, they are quite kind of sheer, like just a nice kind of gloss. They feel very like silky and serumy, but then obviously layered on top of other things, it's like bam. Pigment City. That's so cool. If you guys are wanting to support Australian companies, if you're looking for some kind of indie brands, if you just love this type of packaging, Alice in Wonderland or horror themes or whatever, like these could be definitely right up your alley. Especially even if you are wanting to kind of branch out into more colourful makeup but not quite sure how, then you know this palette would definitely be a great thing for you to play with. Obviously not all their palettes are colourful, like the two I showed you earlier, they are, you know, more neutral kind of toned and beautiful as well. So rainbows, I hope you liked the video and this little kind of mini tutorial. Oh, that highlight though, look, hello. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out Undead Inc. I will have their website linked in the description box below for you guys if you want to check it out too.